Gusto mo ba ng hotel sa Tagaytay na may heated pool at madaling i-commute? Then this one might be for you. Nagstay kami sa Hotel Casiana in Tagaytay and I want to share ko ano ang mga nagustuhan ko sa stay namin. Unahin natin ang room. Malinis, spacious at very comfortable siya. One thing na talagang nagustuhan ko is the bathroom. Aba, nagbalik Japan kami kasi may bidet toilet na may heated seat at automatic functions, which is super helpful lalo na malamig ang weather sa Tagaytay. Complete din ang amenities. May shampoo, body wash, soap, toothbrush at toothpaste, so hindi mo na kailangan magdala ng sarili mo. May refrigerator din and I really like na may separate kitchen sink ang room namin, which is very convenient, especially if may kids kayo or may dalang food. Pangatlo pa lang itong hotel na to sa alam kong merong heated swimming pool. Isang malaking bagay yan para sa akin dahil malamig ang weather sa Tagaytay, lalo na from December to February. Masarap pa rin mag-swimming kahit umaga or gabi, di ba? Now, let's talk about breakfast. Okay at satisfying ang breakfast buffet and honestly, ito talaga ang inaabangan ng anak ko sa bawat staycation. Maaga talaga kaming gumigising para makababa at kumain. Bonus na rin na hindi na ako magluluto. May salad station, cereals, coffee, hot chocolate at iba't ibang juices. May mga hot dishes din like a Filipino breakfast favorites, rice and viands. May bread and pastry section din with toast, spreads at pastries. Simple lang pero nakakabusog at perfect pang simula ng araw. Overall, comfortable at relaxing ang stay namin sa Hotel Casiana, lalo na with the heated pool at complete room amenities. If you're planning to book a room, you can use my Klook promo code MamiLeviClook para may additional discount kayo. Thanks for watching! Bye!